Hey Geek, so I bought my AMD RX 470 4 gig GPU back in 2016, and at the time I would do my quote-unquote monster Linux PC build, and my brother was able to get me this card at a really great price, and I was not disappointed because it suited all of my needs for many years. And to be honest with you, if I wanted to, I could still use this card for practically all of my work today. But at some point, you are going to have to upgrade. And about 7 years later, I did upgrade because in 2023, I got a brand new GPU. And it was this right here, the AMD RX 6700 XT 12 gig GPU. And wow, this was a long time coming. And for a lot of people, they primarily upgrade their GPU because of gaming. And of course, I did do that for gaming as well. There were certain games that I really couldn't play at a high quality settings with my older card, but with this new one, I'm now able to do that. And there's also a second, more important reason for me to why I got this card. So in this video, I'm going to be doing like my 1 year review on this card for anybody who's still interested in getting this. And the last time I looked, I still saw it available on Amazon as a new card for around $300. And there's also used and refurbished. And so eventually this card will no longer be available new, and you're going to have to get it in the resale market if you are interested in getting this card. Now, when it comes to gaming, I am not a huge modern gamer. Most of what I play is retro gaming, arcade classics. That's the type of games that I play. But when it comes to modern gaming for 1080p performance, this card is awesome. You could play practically any 1080p game at the highest quality settings. And it's also great for 2K gaming. They do really push the 2K gaming performance on this. And in terms of overall quality, for most games, I'm able to play it up to the Ultra level, but maybe not with all the settings that I would want if you wanted to really push this card. And also, if you wanted to do RTX gaming, then NVIDIA is still a better card for that. But I think for the vast majority of people out there, especially like normal casual gamers like myself, this is going to be an excellent card. Now, the second thing that I primarily got this card for is content creation, specifically video editing. And let me tell you, when it comes to that, this does definitely perform better than my older card. Not only because it is a more powerful GPU, but it also has like 3 times the amount of RAM. And so that is very important, especially if you are working on more higher resolution projects like 4K projects. It definitely helps. And also if you're doing more complex projects, having a more powerful GPU is gonna improve the overall workflow and performance of your video editing. And the biggest quick performance improvement that I saw right away was in the rendering speeds. At times, I'm getting like 60% better rendering speeds. And for anybody who does video editing, they know that the time it takes to render is really important. So if you're able to save 50 to 60% of your rendering time, well, that's already a huge win for this GPU. And overall, I am not disappointed with this GPU. I know there are a lot of newer cards out there, but for anybody who's still looking for this card, just know that when it comes to gaming, 1080p performance, top notch, 2K performance, really great overall. And then content creation, specifically video editing, this is definitely a winner. However, I will say if you wanted RTX performance and if you wanted the best video editing performance, especially when it comes to 3D and things like that, which is, other types of tools that you might need like Blender, then I would still say NVIDIA is a better card. But of course, you are going to have to pay more for that. So if you did have any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my previous videos on either of these cards, I'll leave those videos in the description area below as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you on another episode. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.